Hey, how are you guys? I'm Andy. This is Oxford English with Afe. Oxford English with Afe, no manti, how we can say ترዲኡኒ የተረደአኒ ብስሩስ خلطو لكل ጊዜ እርደኒ ሁሉ ነገር አፍ እንግሊዝኛ ሀኔ ሐምድ ባህሊና ንሪ ማለት መጀመሪያ understand ማለት ተረዲካዶ ማለት ነው understand ተረዲካዶ then this is Oxford English with Afe as well Oxford English with Afe እና follow ድገብርለና ወይ ደግሞ ንካታተለና subscribe share follow አይንረሳ alright comment ምናምን አይንረሳ thank you very much do you understand ተረዲካዶ do you understand ተና ተረዲካዶ ማለት ነው ንአየ ተረዲኻን ለዲኻ ክን ተረዲና ደሞ ሚን ውስኸላላ ባዕላካ do you understand me ማለት ነው do you understand me ተና ተረዲካዶ ዳየስ ተረዲኻን ለዲኻ ወፋይ ትብለካና ኮኻሊ ተረዲኻ ያዲኻ ክን ተረዲና do you understand her ማለት do you understand her ማለት do you understand her what about are you following me ተተለን እንደኸደ ሓምሳይ ድኻኒ ካብ ተደምጽ እንደኸደ ታዩ are you following me ማለት are you following me ምንስ ተከተለን ለኸዲ ኻኸ ተከታተለን ለኸዲ ኻኸ yeah are you following me ታይክለ ካም ለሐሰብኹ ተረዲካን ማለተይ ምናምን ይባል I mean ማለተይ ማለት I mean ይልባል I mean ማለተይ ኩሎስ ደለኹ ማለተይ ኩሎስ ደለኹ I mean alright so do you understand what I mean ተና ታይክለ ካም ለሐሰብ ተረዲካዲ do you understand what I mean do you understand what I mean ታይክለ ካም ለሐሰብ ተረዲኻን ዲኻ ኢዝኻን ዲኻ ማለት got it ምንስ በሐሳራክ got it ማለት got it እና ምንስ any question ማለት any question ሆነ ጥያቄ ምናምን እኔ ካዲ ዘናና ጋር ክላሪፊኬሽን ምናምን ሐቲትና ምናምን ግን እስቲ የተረደኒ ሊሆን ይችላል ምናምን ተለና ደግሞ what do you mean ለሐቱ ተለና ነው አለለ what do you mean ምክንያቱም mean ማለት ስለዝቆለ እንታይ ማለት ኸኻ ማለት what do you mean እንትና sorry I beg your pardon ይገመለስቲ ማለት I beg your pardon sorry I beg your pardon can you come again what's the bala can you come again and can you make it more clear can you come again can you come again لغونا سودو ملاواق أننا من دحل دي سمعنا I'm sorry can you come again تنا تدبلدو yeah what about I don't quite understand you منس يتردى خيل يوخ من بك من ياتيني مات I don't quite understand you I don't quite understand you مسترش يتردى خيل مات or I don't quite hear you sorry I don't quite hear you I didn't quite hear you I didn't quite hear you أي سمعها I didn't quite hear you too I didn't quite hear you أي سمعها هاي كرتها مالتي هير خلط عينة هير يوم نيوناشي هير خلط عينة يوم نيونا هير زوزل الله مدمات مالتي زوزل الله هير تقول دمو عزي مالتي here عزي مالتي alright okay so asking clarification can you clarify it من الخزلة نقصد can you clarify it إيش تدو بله تبلو أصفح تبلو ويدمو بدن بدك تبرها اللي ماتي can you clarify it yeah now I understand ترdiኡኒ እንታይ ማለት ሃይ what do you mean what do you mean ዘና ሃይ ማለት ሃይ what do you mean yeah what do you mean ሃይ ማለት ሃይ what do you mean? እንታይ ማለት ነው? Or could you I'm sorry, could you get it could you get it in a different way? Could you get it in a different way? Or could you put it in a different way? Could you put it in a different way? Yeah, can you put it? Can you put it in a different way? Can you put it in a different way? Yeah. በስተፈለየ መንገድ ምናምን እንደው በቃ ተብራራለ ማለት ዘን ነጊርኩም ተሰርታይ እንትሉ now I understand እዚ ተረዲኡኒ oh my gosh now I understand ደቦ خذ ተረዲኡኒ ዋት ተረዲኡኒ حركه يقوماتي now I understand አዛ ተحفلኩም ግርንት ለተታት እንጂ now I understand I'm sorry now I understand أستردي I see كل صدقة يلا كلام زوجو على يوتيوب هيك I see ماجدي فكر مالتي so thank you very much. This is Oxford English with Afe. This was a lecture of how to ask understand for understanding for people. Thanks a lot. Subscribe, comment, share.